Tim Lane with TopHat Framing. The last time we met, we shot a video of TopHat being made, and this is that standard section, or one of our standard sections. It's 3.5 inch, 16 gauge TopHat, 24 inch punches on center for the trapezoidal flutes, and it's also pre-punched to accept 1/4 Tech 3 screws to attach to the existing roof purlins. We've run lots of batteries of tests with TopHat already and got some outstanding results, both in positive loads and negative loads. However, I think the environment and the codes need something that's going to provide a little more stability to some of the existing buildings. So we've come up with this reinforcing clip that we want to add to already a good product and see if we can enhance it and get some greater uplift and positive load numbers. We're able to push that piece inside, totally welded up, fully welded up sections. This is 20 foot long. Again, we can make them 30 foot long, 18 foot long, whatever your job needs. And then they're going to be attached to the building with this 1/4 Tech 3 fastener. You know, originally, we're pleased with what we got from our first pass at TopHat. What you can see, though, is there's a little bit of give here that we're going to try to correct with our reinforcing piece. Again, these units here are already totally welded in place. And you can see we've got a lot more rigidity going on, and that's going to transfer over into this test that you're going to see shortly. You can see underneath here, this one's got a TopHat frame already installed on top of these trapezoidal panels. It's fastened off. There's 3 of these screws for every 24-inch section. And this is our baseline unit right here. It's a standard 8-inch 16-gauge purlin. Both of these are. They've got almost a 3-inch trapezoidal 24-gauge panel on it. We've pulled some lines underneath here so we can measure the deflection. And what we will do is we will start to add weight, uniform weight on top of both of these platforms and take some statistics as we go, and we're going to see what happens. We're going to measure and test and see how much stronger we can make this purlin as opposed to the baseline unit. I'm going to recap what we've done so far on our base specimen without TopHat, just a standing seam metal roof and the 8-inch purlins. We ended up with 35 bundles of 80-pound bundles of shingles, and that maxed out. As you can see what happened with it, it pretty much folded up and collapsed. Total weight was about 2,800 pounds, almost 2,900 pounds. And that was it. It was a full bundle of shingles. The last measurement we took prior to its collapse for the deflection was 3.5 inches. Over here, where we've got our reinforced TopHat sections, there are 3 pallets of shingles, each with 36 bundles, for a total weight of 8,560 pounds. I would like to see it get up to 10,000 pounds, and I expect we'll try to do that next.